Now, your Storm Track weather with meteorologist Eli Millard.
Well, it's an incredibly warm morning. Temperatures in the 60s this morning. That's going to set up for a hot day ahead, but still a clear sky right now on our Holton cam. A nice shot of the waning gibbous moon that we're seeing this morning. Had a full moon a couple nights ago, so that's why we're seeing quite a bit of a moon. But it's going to slowly start deteriorating over the next several days. Nice shot of our Capitol building right now on our central speaker cam. 66 degrees is your temperature. Feels like temperature of 66. Look at your dew point. 61 degrees for your dew point. Okay, so later on this afternoon, those dew points are going to climb into the middle 60s. We'll have an east-southeast wind anywhere from 5 to 15 miles per hour and no precipitation. But that dew point later on in the afternoon is going to add a little bit to your feels like temperature. So highs today are going to climb to the upper 80s and lower 90s. But then with the feels like temperature, could see some middle 90s in some spots. So it's going to be a hot day. Just be prepared for that. And look at your start this morning, setting us up for that hot afternoon. 63 at Clay Center, 64 at Marysville, 69 still at Silver Lake, so nearly 70 degrees in some spots. 68 in Emporia, down to 60 degrees though at Hiawatha. And your wind out of the east-southeast, 5 to 10 to closer to 15 miles per hour. Seeing that breeze this morning, the higher humidity, that's what's such a warm start. And that wind's going to pick up in the afternoon. That's going to work in our favor. Temperatures, humidity, not so much, but the wind will work in our favor just a little bit. Upper 80s, lower 90s for this afternoon. Again, feels like temperatures a few degrees above that. Another warm start tomorrow morning. Lows down into the lower to middle 60s. So warm start tomorrow, but we'll kind of drop down in temperature just a little bit. Today's kind of like the big hot day, right? Southeast wind this afternoon, 10 to 20 miles per hour. Could see gusts as high as 30 miles per hour. So it'll be windy today and also windy tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll have kind of more of a west wind, but gusts will be close to 30 to 35 miles per hour. Thursday's the windiest day. Friday will be somewhat windy, but not as windy as Thursday. And then our next storm system kind of rolls in. Here's satellite radar, mostly clear sky this morning. The pattern is active now, just not here yet. Okay, so here's your area of low pressure that's been stuck off towards our east that won't get out of the way, right? It's shutting down the jet stream. It's turning the power switch off. Until this gets out of the way, things aren't going to get active here, but it's getting there, okay? It's moving out of the way because this area of low pressure is now moving in, and that will shove it out of the way, and that will bring us some storm chances, not today, tomorrow, the next day, for the latter half of the weekend as a secondary wave moves through. The storms today will stay off towards the north, and storms tomorrow will kind of stay off in this region, northeast Kansas, staying dry for the next several days. And here it is on Future Track, mostly clear sky this morning, a few passing clouds today, but still a mostly sunny sky. A clear sky for Thursday morning. Cloud cover rolls in as a frontal boundary pushes through. So here's 2 to 3 o'clock. A partly cloudy sky for the southeastern parts of the viewing area. Clear sky for the northwestern parts. Friday morning we're clear until later on in the morning hours. A few clouds will move through, and then clearing out by the afternoon. A sunny sky for Friday afternoon. So lots of sunshine still the next couple of days. But towards the end of the 7-day, folks, we're finally talking about rain chances. 91 degrees for your high today, 85 for tomorrow, 84 Friday and Saturday. Chance for a few showers on Sunday. Then tracking our next chance for potential severe weather. It'll be rolling in on Monday. 6% chance for scattered storms Monday and also on Tuesday.